Have you ever eagerly ordered a mouth-watering ice cream cone that you couldn't wait to devour? If you have ever eaten ice cream too quickly, you may have experienced a phenomenon known as brain freeze. But what exactly is brain freeze and why does it happen? There are different names for brain freeze, like ice cream headache, cold stimulus headache, or trigeminal headache. If you really want to get technical, it's called sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. But they all mean the same, a short intense experience of pain in your head. Even though brain freeze isn't a well-studied subject, there is a possible explanation for the cold-induced headaches. There are different types of causes. A medical professional told that there are two types of brain freeze, internal or external. She said, external brain freeze is due to external cooling of the head, such as during exposure in very cold weather, when diving into cold water or when receiving cryotherapy. These types of headaches usually last 30 minutes or less. The ingested or inhaled type comes from a cold stimulus that is inhaled or ingested. Rapid ingestion of crushed ice slurry is particularly likely to provoke this headache, but eating ice cream even slowly can do so. This type of headache only lasts 30 seconds. When a cold stimulus comes in contact with the roof of your mouth, it quickly causes the blood vessels to constrict. It is thought that the vasoconstriction that occurs triggers painful stimulus causing the headache. When you breathe in air after eating something cold, the air will be warmer and your blood vessels will dilate again. The change between constriction and dilation causes brain freeze. There are no specific temperature thresholds that will trigger the headache, but rather just the impulse of a sudden cold stimulus. Not everybody gets this type of headache when inhaling or ingesting something cold. Theoretically speaking, everyone can potentially get a brain freeze headache. In reality, only about 30% to 40% of the population is susceptible to it. It is thought that those people have a more sensitive trigeminal nerve,